Hi all, great to have you for another video, and it's that time of the month to do another income report. This one is out a little bit late, but check out how the first month of 2022 went for me. So my total book royalties for the month of January 2022 was $1,206.30, and I'm super happy with this, as this is double my January 2021 royalties, so it shows that I'm definitely on the right track. It is quite a large drop off from the previous month of December of more than 50%. However, we know that January is usually one of the slower months of the year, so I did expect quite a drop off. So my highest day for the month was on the 6th of January, earning $85.71. And then my lowest day for the month was actually the 16th of January, just earning $17.17. Now, the total books I sold for the month was 588. With the 11th, I sold the most books, which was 45 paperbacks. And on the 16th again, I only sold 8 paperback copies. And my average book royalty for the month was $2.05 if you just divide my book royalties by the books sold, which is quite low. I mean, KDP is a low margin business. However, I am looking to go into a few niches this year, such as children's books and short stories, which hopefully I can price some of these books a little bit higher than normal. Just in terms of my marketplace stats, so Amazon.co.uk was the highest percentage with roughly 52.7%. A lot of my books sold really well there. And then this followed by Amazon.com. It's always pretty much quite even between the both of them, UK and .com. And then you have the smaller marketplaces of Spain, Canada, Australia, Germany, and finally Japan. Now, just viewing the best-selling books for me in January. So the first one that grossed me $297, my best-selling logbook. This sells well all year round as it's in an evergreen niche. It does have a bestsellers badge, which definitely helps it to get more sales. Next, we got a calendar that did quite well for me, especially in the US, that grossed me $197. After this, we've got a joke book. Then we've got a coloring book, followed by another calendar. Then we've got another 2 activity books that follows that. So those were my best-selling books for the month of January. Just taking a look at my ads then. So we're going to look first at the US. So my total ad spend was $61.20, which gave me sales of $164.82. I had an ACOS of 37.13% with a total of 18 orders. Now, this was my worst month in the US just in terms of ads. I was trying to rank a few of these books as well as I could for some events that were going on in January and February, but they just were not performing well. You can see some of the ACOS of 49%, 52%. So quite a few of these ads I did have to stop, despite myself trying various strategies. They were not performing as well as expected, and then I was wasting money. So if we have a look at the UK, we can see that I spent £147.17 with a total sales of £509.20. My ACOS was a lot better of 28.9% and with a total of 86 orders. Now, taking a look at my ACOS below, you can see that these are much, much lower. And I just generally feel like a lot of my ads perform much better in the UK rather than the US. I get a lot more traction and sales. But let me know how they work for you. This ACOS is slightly breaking even. However, I have had much better months. So just to summarize in total for the month of January 2022, so total income was $1,206.32. So expenses, you can see there, I am subject to 20% VAT because I'm based in the United Kingdom. Subscriptions include Creativefabrica, Canva, KDP, Champ, and then I am now getting quite a few more freelancers to do the work for me instead of myself doing it. I do have the security of a full-time job, so I don't depend on this income. So my net income for the month of January 2022 was $582.60. So thanks for watching another income report, and just let me know how the month of January 2022 went for you also.